So the bag is fabulous, and it says, I am a skincare freak. Today I'm doing an unboxing. This is a product or products, you will see, that I purchased with my own money. As I'm filming this, there's going to be a lot of hauls coming up because I have one from the Sephora sale. So I'm going to share everything, but then I'm going to individually review all of those. And this is going to take me a while because this is skincare. This is from Caroline Hirons. I hope that I'm pronouncing her last name right. Hirons. And this is one of her skincare kits. I have been a follower for a long time. I did order something from Skin Rocks. I may be in a video before this. I'm not sure. You may see it after. I'm not going to mention the video because you'll see it when you see it. But I've always been curious about these kits because there's a lot of different brands that I've never tested myself. So I thought it would be a good opportunity for me to test products, see how they work on my skin. So usually I feel like they come in bags, and I was also excited about that because I can use this bag when I travel. So this is what the bag looks like. I guess this is one of the biggest ones I've had. Let me tell you, it is big. It is big, big, big. When I ordered this last Tuesday, I believe. I don't know what the date is in front of me. I don't have my phone. But it came on a Thursday. So, I mean, like, it came super fast. Why is it that I can order something from California or Virginia? Okay, I'm in Florida, so even Virginia or whatever. And sometimes it will take like weeks. I've ordered from the UK before, and stuff comes so fast. It has to go through customs and everything. Like, I don't understand it. But anyways, so the bag is fabulous. And it says, I am a skincare freak. Love that. It has this little hook here. And then I love it even has her name on the zipper. I mean, how cute is that? You can't see because of my lighting, but trust me. And it feels soft, kind of like, I think she described it as like a diving, material. It's like that. So inside, it looks like that, which is really cool. Camo. Let's see. I was just so excited to try this one. So this is the Spring Clean, and this is the kit number 27. You can't see 27, but it says 27 right there. And then in the booklet here, we've got the lovely Caroline right there, along with information on all of these products here that I'm going to show you in this kit, and how to use them and all of that. Very, very nice. It even has a breakdown of, you can't see because of my lighting, but it does break down all the ingredients, I believe. Let me get my glasses. I'm pretty sure that's what it is the ingredients. Yes. So all the ingredients from all of the brands are all listed there as well. And so let's do this. This is supposed to be a kit that you can do everything. Now, it doesn't have vitamin C. I don't think it has vitamin C in here. I don't believe it does. But other than that, it has everything to cleanse and use everything. I'm going to tell you right now, it wouldn't be enough for me because I'm high maintenance. I know Caroline said before she doesn't spend that much time on her skincare. I feel like she said stuff like that. Like, she just likes to do, like, she doesn't have a million. She tests a lot of things, but she doesn't have that in her routine every day. Honey, I got a lot. I use a lot. So this is from Watari. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And this is the Super Bright Eye Gel. Now, I don't think I've ever used an eye gel product. So I was just really excited to use that. I have favorite eye creams, but part of what I do on here is test other products for you guys. So let's get this out. So this is what it looks like. And it says it has green tea and peptides in it. I'm just going to pump like a little dot. You see that little dot? And it feels really nice. And it just goes, wow, it just blends right into my skin. And it feels maybe a little bit tacky. I wonder if this would be good to use under my concealer too. Ooh, I'll have to test that out. So that's that right here. And then we have the Skin Rocks Retinoid. I'm going to be honest, I'm a little nervous about this because I tried that Myriad and it was just a disaster. So I got the number 2. Or actually, no, yes, I got the Retinoid number 2. that's that. I'm not going to put it on my hand. I will let you know. And then on the cap, by the way, see this little circle? That tells you how much product you have to use, you should be using, okay? So you can just pump it right on there and use it and put it on your face. So you're not using too much, you're not using too little. It says exactly what you're supposed to use, and this is what it looks like. And I believe this is refillable too. So that's what it looks like. So it's refillable, so you don't have to keep getting this. So that's what that looks like. Excited about that. And then we have the Ipsum Best Skin Cleansing Balm Oil. It has thumb and myrtle and sandalwood in it, among other ingredients. Let's open this up. I'm trying to think if I used a cleansing oil. I think I have, and I think I have another one in there that I haven't used yet. So this is what it looks like. My lighting kind of washes it out. Sorry. This is what it looks like. And then let's open it up because I will be using this tonight. So I'm going to use all these products up. And as I use them, they will be in my empties. I don't know that I'll wait for all of them to be done, but as I use them up, they'll be in my empties video. It's an oil. Oh, it smells really nice. It smells like lemon. I have some dry skin here, so I'm just going to put it on there. But it smells really, really nice. It's kind of thick. It's not what I thought it would be. It almost is like the consistency of Vaseline is what it feels like. So I'm excited to try that. And then we have the Medic 8. I've never tried anything from this brand before. Medicate, right here. And this is the Hydrate B5 Intense Hyaluronic Acid with NMF Replenish and Boost. So I believe you put this on, and then you put the moisturizer on top of it, which I'm going to show you. And this is the moisturizer. This is the MZ Skin, the Light Moisturizer. I love the pink. I love packaging on this. I saw an interview with the maker of this. She's actually a doctor. And she said pink is her favorite color, so I love that. That's what it looks like. And I should have smelled this other one. I'll smell it in a second. I'll put it on the back of my hand. Don't really smell that much. I think if it's scented, I'll have to look at the ingredients, but if it's scented, it seems like it's probably just the ingredients. But you saw what it looked like, right? And I'll put a little bit on my hand to just see what it feels like. That feels really nice. Feels like one of those a little bit goes a long way because I'm rubbing it and it just disappeared in my skin. It's totally disappeared on my skin. Like it feels tacky. So I feel like it's one of those you don't have to use a lot of it and it's gonna be good. And then let's try this. I want to open this up and just give it a little drop on my. It's purple in color, just like the bottle. Ooh. Oh, that feels, I need to put this on my finger. I have a really dry finger. I don't know why. Yeah, it's weird. It's like my hands, there's like, I had a dry patch here. I had a dry patch here. It's weird. Ooh, and that just disappears on your skin too. Like totally disappeared on my hand. So let's see, smell. I don't really smell anything. Let me go back to that moisturizer because I just want to see, is there any fragrance listed in that? I don't see it. It looks like it's all natural. You know, just like the ingredients, which I like. Okay. So let me show you what the bag looks like. Oh my God, this bag's going to be so nice for when I travel. It's freaking huge. I'll be able to put my skincare in here, all my toiletries. Love it. Let me go over everything really, really quickly and just talk about some of the ingredients. I'm not going to go over everything. The Ipsum cleansing balm. So it has castor seed oil, it has sunflower seed oil, it has coconut oil, rapeseed oil, it has camilla, jojoba esters, shea butter, lavender. I'm just going through some of it because there's a lot. Sweet almond oil. So it'll be interesting to see how it works because I have oily skin. If it leaves any kind of film or anything like that, I will let you know. It says that it's from organic agriculture too. So this is organic. If you're into that, you guys know I'm not really into organic or not. Except for my food, I don't really care. Let's go to the eye cream. So the eye cream has glycerin in it, has chia seed extract. It has, oh my gosh, a lot. It has coffee seed extract, which is going to help with puffiness. Has peptides in it. Has a tripeptide, tetrapeptide. It has camilla in it. It has acai berry. I hope I'm saying that right. Oh my gosh, so many good ingredients. It has cucumber in it, which again, I think that's going to help with puffiness. So lots of really, really good ingredients in this. Then the Medic 8, which is this. This has ingredients, I don't know what they are. It has glycerin in it. It has saskatoon. I hope I'm saying that right. Fruit extract. It has black carrot juice. It has says it has soybean seed extract. Has arginine, not arginine, but arginine. And has lactic acid in it. It has hydrolyzed wheat protein in it. More glycerin. Oh, glycerin's listed actually at the bottom part. And it also has citric acid, but that's listed all the way. It's like the last ingredient. And then we're going to go to the MZ Skin, which is this. It has glycerin, squalene. It has chia seed oil in it. It has watermelon seed oil in it. Pomegranate oil, sea buckhorn oil, which is really, really good. Bergamot fruit oil, sunflower oil, has a polypeptide, has rosemary leaf extract, to name some of them. And then the Skin Rocks Retinoid 2. I'm not going to read all this, but it does have glycerin and squalene in it. It has a triglyceride. Has soybean extract. Has retinol, gossypium, herbaceum, and it says it's cottonseed oil. Oh, so it's retinol, and then it has that. Okay, say it again. So it has retinol in it. It's not listed at the top, but it's not at the mid either. It's before the midway of the ingredients. So what this is, from what I understand, is this is a retinol that also is supposed to be hydrating. So it's kind of like having a moisturizer and a retinol in one. So it's kind of like, so you don't have to use a moisturizer, you can just use this. I'm probably still going to sandwich it and probably going to apply this first and then this, and maybe do this on top kind of a thing. But I'm going to read all of this in here and see what it says first before I do that. But I think that's what I'm probably going to do because I'm kind of a little nervous about it. I'm not sure, but I'll let you know how it goes. And I do my filming ahead of time, so if my skin ends up getting a little crazy, I'm going to be okay. So you're going to see, I always tell you guys, I film ahead of time. So you might see this video, which I'm filming in April, but you might still see a video that I filmed in February or something like that, because I film stuff ahead of time. So my husband and I can just go and do little short trips and do fun stuff like that. Plus, it always gives me time to test new products out too. So I always have plenty of videos that are ready to go out. So anyways, I'm really, really excited to try all these new products with you guys. If you've tried any out, you like them, you don't, let me know. I'm still going to test them myself and see what I think, but you can also share, because I like my channel to be a place for you guys to share as well. But I'm going to be testing these out, and like I said, you will see these eventually in my empties. As I use it up, I will share it in my empties. I'll let you know if I like it, don't like it, worked on me, didn't work on me. I will let you know all of it. So thank you all so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. And for all of you that are my OGs, thank you so much for your continued support. It truly, truly means so much to me. Thank you so much. I would really appreciate it if you do a huge favor for me. Could you please make sure before you leave to like, share, and comment on my videos, because it helps to push them out, and I would greatly appreciate it. And I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.